Hey everyone, I'm Dexter.
And I'm Mark, and we're from Castle Robotics in Newburgh, Indiana.
For this STEM activity, we're going to make rubber band powered helicopters, so let's get straight into it.
Your kit includes a propeller, a craft stick, a sheet of cardstock, 3 rubber bands, a paper clip, and you will also need some tape.
Your first step is to cut a cardstock into a shape. You can cut it into a helicopter shape or any other shape that you'd like to.
The importance of having some sort of shape is to create enough wind resistance to allow the propeller to lift. If you have too big of a piece of paper, it will be too heavy and fall to the ground. If it's too small, then there won't be enough wind resistance and the propeller won't have any lift. Your next step is you're going to take your shape that you cut out, lay it on the table, and lay your stick on top of it. Then you're going to take a piece of tape and tape them together. Just like this.
Next, you're going to take a paper clip just like this and take as many rubber bands as you'd like, though we found that 2 works best, and loop them into the paper clip just like this. Once you have your rubber bands in, then you're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to slide it in through the side of the paper clip, just like this. Once it's in, you're going to take your craft stick and place your rubber band just about right here. And start looping your tape around the side. Next, you want to take your propeller and put it onto the top of your craft stick like this.
Then, once you have it like that, you're going to want to have a friend help you to attach the rubber bands to the propeller. It's best if they help by just holding it so that it's easier to attach.
Once the rubber bands are attached, you want to take it from the side that's slanted down and begin winding it up. You need to really wind this up a lot, almost to the point where the rubber band starts to coil over itself twice and it completely covers the entirety of the rubber band.
When you let it go, you want to let go of the top propeller first so that it can get some lift, then let go of the bottom. You can do it to the rhythm of robot.
We hope you enjoyed this activity as much as we did.
Check out our channel for more STEM videos.